Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the ZealSound condenser mic. I'm going to give a rating and see how it works. And then the link to this is going to be in the description. Go check it out. It's $50 on Amazon and it's a pretty nice mic. Here we go. Is the microphone worth it? Well, yes, of course. First, I do piano lessons, and so this microphone is going to be a big improvement because, as you heard from just the internal mic from my computer, which we've been using for Zoom, it comes out really choppy, and like you can hear the song, but it's also like it sounds like there's no sustain, nothing. So it's definitely a big improvement. I really like it, and it comes out really clear, even though it's not a professional mic and it's not for recording instruments. It can, and it's pretty good at it. So I would definitely recommend it for if you play piano or guitar or other instruments. I don't know about singing. I don't sing, so I'm not going to sing for you guys. But I think it would be pretty good for singing too. Okay, so the unboxing. I'm going to find out what's inside. So I've unwrapped it because it makes it easier to see what's inside. Just go over the basics. So, this is what the mic looks like. I mean, that's just the mic itself. And it has its own battery. You can charge it up, but it has a battery in it, so when you connect it to your phone, you don't have to add extra cables. So, starting off, we have the mic stand, the tripod, and not sure exactly how this goes through, but I want to say you just run it through here, maybe take the bands off and then put them around it later. I don't know, actually. I assume you just put the cables, you run them across. Okay, so now it fits pretty snugly. It moves a little bit, but you have to put a lot of pressure on it, so it shouldn't move much. The settings I like is we have the on and off switch, the echo, and then the volume back here. So it's facing towards you, and also you can reach all the buttons without moving the mic around. So that's the tripod, and then if you want to connect it to your phone, you just have the aux cable, you plug that into your phone, and you can use that. There's a USB-C adapter for USB-C computers, and then this really long, I like how long this cable is, because, I mean, if you want it far away from your computer, you can do that. So it's a USB and a USB, or micro USB, and that just plugs into the back of the microphone here. That both charges and connects it to your computer. No extra cables needed, which is really nice. And then this is your arm that connects. Connects if you want, like you're recording your voice or recording away from your computer a bit and you don't want to use a tripod. You have your arm, and then the table clamp that clamps on to your table. That just makes sure that's not going to move around, and it has some more secure base. And then you have your cover guard for the mic. You just twist these screws and you run that through here. I think I need to undo more of it, I guess. Okay, there we go. And then you put it as far as you want in. It depends on how you like it, but for me, a good rule of thumb is just angle that front up with the front of the mic so it kind of flows down. And then you screw the guard in. That screws on pretty nicely. And then once you get to where you want it, then you just twist the nut. You twist it onto the cover guard, and then it looks just like that. And then you can make it tighter, or tighter, looser, going right, and then just get it lined up pretty nicely. Yeah, that's how you set it up. So it also comes with extra bands and instruction manual, but no one really reads these anymore. It tells you how to set it up, like you can plug in earbuds and listen to yourself as you're playing, or as you're speaking into it. Yeah, it shows you how to plug into mobile devices, into computers, shows you how to set it up. So pros and cons. Pros, it sounds good. It's got a long cable. You can make it from the tip of the arm all the way to your computer without a problem. It comes with a tripod and arm, which is good for the price. Playback audio, you can listen to it as you're playing or talking. Cons, it comes with micro USB. USB-C is the newest and would make it more efficient and easier to use. Distance from mic, if you're talking into it, you have to be pretty close to it or it won't pick it up very well. And the instructions aren't clear. It shows you how to set up the arm and the tripod, but it doesn't show you some of the in-between steps, and the images aren't very helpful. So my rating for sound quality is 4 stars because it sounds pretty good. It's not the best and it's not the most professional, but it sounds pretty good. And for ease of use, I mean, it's like I said, the instructions weren't very detailed and it takes a little bit to get used to, but it's pretty good. So I'd give both 4 stars. So for the look, I would give it 5 stars. It looks nice. It looks like an ordinary mic and it's pretty small, so that's good. And then for durability, yeah, I'd give it 5 stars. It's lasted pretty well and it looks like it could last for a while. It holds a charge really well and it lasts a long time. So durability would also be 5 stars. Is it worth the money? I would say, yeah, I mean, $50, I mean, that's kind of expensive, but it's not just the mic, it's the arm and the tripod, the cables and connectors and everything. So I think that's a pretty reasonable price, and for the quality, I think it's almost too little to charge, but it's a nice mic, and the link to the product will be in my description. So go check it out. And if you need a mic, this is a really nice one. Probably give it a total of 4.8 stars. It's a nice mic.